Okay, so we'll start off with some common Arizona soils. There are many soil types found in Arizona, besides obviously tropical soils. And these soils have lots of clay, resulting in higher alkalinity. In Arizona, there is iron present in the soil. However, the alkalinity of the soil prevents the plants from actually absorbing it. So many plants grown in alkaline soil suffer from iron deficiency, resulting in what's called yellow foliage, which is pictured over here on the left. These clay soils have the potential to expand greatly in volume when wet and to collapse drastically when hot and dry, which can be a problem for plants and for buildings as well. These soils can also be low in nutrients and difficult to work with, which requires the addition of organic matter. The problem, only 1% of Arizona soil content is organic matter, and organic matter is what helps the soil hold water and nutrients. Um, and these soils are separated into layers. According to the Arizona Cooperative Extension, most soils have two or more distinct layers. They're also called soil horizons. Um, these layers include the surface soil, the subsurface, and the subsoil. And so all that organic matter is stored in the surface layer, which is why the plant roots obtain their nutrients and their water from that layer. But these layers, they differ in color, texture, consistency, and structure, as well as chemical characteristics and composition. So caliche, it's a very common throughout Arizona. It's found beneath the surface layer of the soil. It occurs in the subsoil. This layer of soil can be up to 6 feet deep. The particles in caliche are essentially cemented together with calcium carbonate, and it's hardened natural cement of calcium carbonate that binds other materials like gravel, sand, clay, and silt. Um, and roots cannot penetrate caliche, and water also cannot move through it. So any serious digging requires a jackhammer. Very tough to dig through. And Casa Grande is the most common soil type throughout Arizona. It's the state soil of Arizona. The properties are that it is very deep, well drained, saline sodic soil. The surfaces comprise old alluvium, which is when clay, silt, sand, and gravel are deposited down flowing streams from surrounding mountains. This soil can be very productive with a little bit of irrigation to help wash out salts, but intensive management is necessary to reduce the impacts of the salts. Otherwise, the soils will not be productive.